Well, I wonder what today it is. Oh, I get it. Today is Brandon Barney's birthday, and I can't believe he's having a great time on his day. I want to do something about him, but how? I think I have the greatest idea ever. I'm gonna chase Brandon Barney with a chainsaw on his birthday so that he gets it. Ha 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 ha. Hey Brandon Barney,
Oh, hey Boris.
is it today your birthday, right?
Yes, it is my birthday. I hope you can wish me a happy birthday if you want to.
Well, I have something else for your birthday, Brendan.
What is it?
Well, I'm going to chase you with a chainsaw because I hate you so much. Run, Brendan, run.
Boris. We saw that you chased Brandon Barney with a chainsaw on his birthday. You know doing such a thing like that could get you in big trouble. That's it.
We are calling your parents about this. Go home right now.
Oh my freaking god. Boris, how dare you chase Brendan Barney with a chainsaw on his birthday? You know you could have been arrested big time. That's it. You are grounded for 47 days.
Go to your room right now, you naughty adult.
Va.